Bank Negara is optimistic that Malaysia's gross domestic product or GDP growth this year will be better than the 5 to 5.5% that was forecast previously. This follows the better than expected 6.3% GDP reported for the first half of the year.
Well, for the first half of the year, you've already got 6.3, so it's definitely going to exceed the original forecast of 5 to 5.5, and that's what we're going to leave it at that for the moment.
Zeti was responding to the recent announcement by Second Finance Minister Dato Sri Ahmad Husni Hanatsla on the upward revision of the country's GDP forecast to between 5.5% to 6%. Zeti also commented on the 1.9 billion ringgit fall in Bank Negara's international reserves to 422.3 billion ringgit on September 15th compared to 2 weeks earlier. The fall has been attributed to outflows from the financial markets. The governor said the fall should not at all raise concerns, as the central bank currently has ample reserves to sustain the country and provide sufficient buffers for such downward adjustments. The current amount of reserves can finance up to 8.9 months of retained import and is 1.2 times the short-term external debt. On a related matter, Securities Commission Chairman Dato Ranjit Ajit Singh said the Malaysian capital market is strong enough to weather capital outflows as it has shown its resilience against external hiccups. He said the domestic market's resilience demonstrated the strength of the local financial market and the intermediaries.
Despite the moves that have happened globally, the Malaysian capital market remains resilient, and I think that demonstrates the strength of the financial markets here. It demonstrates the strength of our intermediaries, and it also demonstrates that that we have strong pools of investments that creates a certain amount of resilience against external volatility. So we are quite assured that they will be able to manage these episodes.
Meanwhile, Zeti said Bank Negara's decision last week to leave the overnight policy rate unchanged at 3.25% was in support of the economy. The central bank says it will closely monitor inflation levels and the country's growth before revising the interest rate.
We will review conditions on the outlook for both inflation and growth, and we will look at the nature of this outlook, whether it is of a transitory and temporary nature or whether it is permanent. Also, we will look at the risks of any destabilizing financial imbalances. These are the factors that will be taken into consideration.
She added that the bank will also look at the source of contribution to the country's growth and inflation adjustments. Jacqueline Peng, DHTV.